What the fuck is this, and why would anyone want to remove the branch history? Azure DevOps UI does all I get. Why are you making us type commands, bro? The only weird Git shit I know that's cool is git squash merge or something like that. For real, the last company I worked for, the product owners did the user acceptance testing, so that's got to be the answer, right? Good grief. As if I need help on how to click the submit button. Why the fuck they didn't include link and other namespaces? Well, fucking thank you. The code looks like it works and the output matches the answers there. I am submitting this turd ASAP. Let's see how badly I fucked this up. Fuck. I've never used git rebase in my real dev life. I sure ain't going to start now. Really? Clearly, the last company I worked for did this all wrong. The product owners did user acceptance testing. So, maybe the answer is wrong? Great. Things are looking good. Maybe I did something right for once. What the fuck? Who the fuck puts a million items in an array and expects C# to process all that shit in a short ass time? Why is that worth all those points? Seriously?